The AR inlet will simply bolt onto your existing inlet. Clean and remove any debris from the sealing surface in preparation for rope caulk. Next, install rope caulk using the peel and pinch method. Do this by placing the caulking on both sides of the bolt holes and pinching the caulking together in between each bolt hole. After caulk installation, lift the AR inlet into place, leaving a small gap. Using an alignment pin, guide the AR inlet onto the standard inlet. Install your AR inlet using standard bolts, not cutter screws. Place a standard bolt into one of the corners. Without fully tightening, continue to place bolts, securing the AR inlet into place. After all bolts have been placed, fully tighten all bolts to secure the AR inlet.